Good morning and happy Halloween to all of you out there, to the working class, to everybody else just having some fun. Uh, so, as you can see, I broke the union already, and we're working our way over. This is going to be quite interesting. What's up, YouTube? So, I got the gas valves out. I got one out so far. Here's my second gas valve. Unfortunately, this gas valve is too low to get out. So in order to get this gas valve out without any problems, I had to remove this obviously first. Well, you can't see, let me show you what I'm talking about here. This is where our gas flows through, part of it is so I had to remove this without damaging it. So now I'm taking out the manifold, which consists of these screws and these screws here. So stay in tune. By the way, ever in a hard to reach area, I definitely recommend this angle bit by Milwaukee. Top notch. All this is a whole Milwaukee setup. Like and subscribe.